Hey guys, welcome back. Yes, we finally got the doors and windows installed and ready to look amazing. Because I think they look amazing. What do you think? We're super excited that we finally were able to get them installed. We think they look great. So these windows here are the Anderson E-Series window, which I believe it's their most customizable window. You get multiple colors, and like you know, we wanted black on the inside and we wanted it to be white on the outside. So that's what we did with these two windows as well as the door. The frame itself is wood. I wasn't the most keen on getting black wooden windows just because of the maintenance and stuff, but apparently these are gonna be pretty good. So I guess that's not something we have to really worry about. This particular window here, or the opening for the window, actually had to be moved over some, and that's why you see that hole there. So this right here, this is where the original opening was, and it had to be moved over that way up to this line because it wasn't centered, or this window and that window there were not centered with the range. And now, once that got moved over, now they are both centered. We upgraded the screens to the ones that seem like, I guess there's nothing there. I don't know what Anderson calls it, but if you can see, it almost looks like there's no screen there, but I don't know if you'll be able to tell once I get really close. Maybe not. I don't know if you can kind of see the screen there. So it's actually really nice. I didn't realize how much, or how better, or how much clearer it was going to be, but I'm really surprised on how well that looks. We did it for both windows, this one as well. We did see it in the store, but obviously, you know, it's inside and you're looking inside. You know, it's a little showcase piece that they have going on there. So you really can't tell until you actually get it in. So super nice that these were, or how clear these actually look. This is the door. Please don't mind outside, it's quite a mess. They finished the siding earlier today. And this one was, we wanted a door that had as much glass as possible with little frame. I hope that makes sense. And this one here was one that fit the bill, not only because it had the most amount of glass with very minimal frame, but also could be customized with a black interior and white exterior. Here we have the door from the outside. As you can tell, it is white, and that is what we were going for. The white exterior, black interior, because we thought that perhaps the black exterior would look kind of weird out here. Whether it did or didn't, I guess we'll never know, but we went with the white. These are the windows. It looks a little off-white, but as you get close, you can tell that it is actually white. And they do have two whites. One was, I think this is called Colony White, and I forget the other white. And we went with the Colony White because it seemed to be more of a white color. So here's one window, and here is the other one. This one, or these two windows are 36 inches. They were slightly bigger or more glass, or I think the other ones were 36 as well that we had in there, but there's more glass in this, so they actually look a little bigger. Looking at it now, once we got them, you know, we felt like we should have got bigger windows than these. I don't know what the next size would be, but we weren't planning on getting windows at the time when we first started this. So that's probably one of the reasons why we didn't think about it. And here is the siding fully finished. So I think it looks pretty good. The one thing I don't like about it is compared to the original siding that's here already, the one that is, the new stuff looks a little bit more blue. than the old stuff. Not exactly sure if it's because the old stuff is more weathered than this stuff, or if it's a different color altogether. Contractor did try to match it up as best as possible, and so you can look down here, it's a little bit more blue looking than it does look up here. So it's all kind of how it hits, or how the light hits it. But I think overall, it's gonna have to do, right? That's all that I have for you guys today. Thanks for watching. If you've liked this video, give it a nice thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't. And any comments, questions, suggestions, anything at all, put them downstairs in the description. Sorry, always say that in the comments section below. Love hearing from you. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And like always, keep on living a modern lifestyle through technology. Peace. Bye.